YouTube? It is your boy Dalen the Goat, and I am back at it with another video. And today we got some more Hat Club heat, as you can tell by the title of this video. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing today. First and foremost, let's get into the fit of the day. As y'all can see, we picking danger today. Right now I got on this Anaheim Angels. This is one of my first fitteds. This is like the second one. Well, really I bought two as my first. The Chicago White Sox black brown and this Anaheim Angels all red black brown. Pretty simple. Man, I remember like it was yesterday when I got this fitted. Straight out of lids, of course. Where else? First fitted. I always remember where you come from. Black brown, straight out of lids. You already know the vibes for the day, and it feels comfortable. Where is this from? Bangladesh. Them Bangladesh has to be so comfortable with that black sweatband. Come on now. Oh yeah, I'm spinning today. You already know. You know the vibes. Come on, y'all. Y'all already know. Next, we about to get into the vibes for the day. Today I had a long day at work. Actually, checking this, it is 12:25 the next day for me actually going to work. I'm probably gonna post this the same day, like what, today May 9th right now. So y'all probably gonna see this video the same day, most likely. But the vibes for the day, we got that pink apple punch. We gotta get them aromas going, you feel me? Good vibes. Just came off work. Gotta spread the positive energy into my room, cause that's where I'm sleeping at, you know what I'm saying? We want good vibes when we in the room and when we out, when we going to sleep, you feel me? Good vibes for this video. So with that being said, let's get into the following with Hat Club. You know what I'm saying? They released this collection about a week or two ago, in store only. So NoHo, stores in Cali, a lot of stores, you know what I'm saying, they got this hat before it dropped online, and I was like, dang, this is a dope unbox. This is like a dope collection, and they only release it in store. How they gonna do us like that? And I was like, dang, I might as well just sit this one out, because I really didn't want to pay resale. But then they posted on their page, you know what I'm saying, I got post notice turned on that this collection coming out. So you know, hey, let my homeboy know, hey, my guy Sergio, they releasing this heat. So we both ended up copping from this. He ended up getting the Anaheim Angels, or California Angels, whatever they call it nowadays. And I ended up getting what's in the box right now. So we about to get into it. We got that box cutter. Open this bad boy up. I'm surprised it is Sunday, so it's currently, well, it was Mother's Day. Now it's Monday. But just got out of work. And I'm surprised it's here on the Sunday. Like, they always do that on holidays. I'm not sure why, but hey, I love it. Opened it up. Make sure they got this. They never get the paperwork right sometimes. Oh, they got the paperwork right this time. We don't need those. So boom, hold on. Let's get into the pen work. Y'all already know, on some collections, Hat Club be doing their thing on the pen work, and this is one of those collections. Check this out. I know it won't let me zoom in that close, but that is some nice pen work right there. Very thoughtful, very dope. Shout out to Hat Club, doing their thing with the pen work for real. Box on, you feel me? And boom, we got our fitted right here. We got the Seattle Mariners with the 30th anniversary patch. Man, I seen this Mariners and I was like, bruh, they gotta be caught. We got that peach. You know what? We're gonna do this in the next clip, but check it out. For the time being, look at this cap. Look at this fitted. Look at this fitted. Check it out. So one of the reasons why I picked this up, like, look at the apricot and the peach on this Compass and the S. It just hit real different with that cyan, like metallic blue, gamma blue, like on the outer lining. And then we got like a royal blue upper visor. It's kind of like a little off-white right here with the blue button on the top, and an apricot peach under visor. We got a white sweatband. Y'all excuse me. We got a white sweatband. And where is this hat from? Bangladesh. I love those Bangladesh hats. Standard white sweatband, of course. Batterman. Check it out. Royal blue. and Gamma Blue. Yeah, this is one of the collections that you just need, literally. Like, a two-tone, these are one of the two-tones you really need. Like, check out the details. This is a two-tone that you need, really. Really. Hey, if y'all know me, y'all know what we doing now. We back doing it. We about to get this bad boy ready to wear, because this is something I am going to wear. So, first of all, we take these stickers and we get rid of them. This is one of the ones you cannot have a sticker on. Some hats you can keep your sticker on. Sometimes you don't, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes the sticker might go with the cap, sometimes you keep it on. Sometimes you don't. It depends on the hat for me. Like this one, I just kept it on just because. Stickers off. And next, what you want to do, you want to get your steamer and you want to turn that bad boy on. So you're gonna turn that bad boy on. Once that bad boy start doing this, it's ready. Dang, got cardboard on my hat. I don't like that. But what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take that brim and just apply that steam on there. Let me make sure I got my, do I even have my water bottle around me? We might have to do the speaker method today. That's what I'm leaning towards. You want to take it and just take it and steam it. All I can say. Especially until you get that malleable feel to where you can bend it. So after you get it nice and bendable, you want to take it, fit it, then get your water bottle, and then just mold it. Alright, so after you finish those steps, you should be left with something that looks like this. Bam. Bruh, come on now. That is a cold fitted. So as you can see, I added the little pin on there. Super dope pin. And then I added my Frosty Boy Made by Eric pin from his pre-order. Y'all should tap in with my guy Made by Eric. Super dope pins. He makes the Starboy pins, one of my favorite. I don't know if y'all won't be able to see it, but I got 3 other ones on that pin board back here. I'm trying to cop some more, but one of my favorite pin creators in the game right now. Shout out to him. But yeah, super dope fitted, literally. I'm not gonna count. This is one of the top collections in 2022, in my opinion. Y'all comment below. Let me know which one is y'all favorite. Like, what collection is y'all favorite so far, and what do y'all think of the Ocean Drive collection? Cause I love it. I love it. Literally. I can't wait to see what they drop next week. Well, really this week. I can't wait to see what they drop Saturday. If they drop it some Saturday, cause my birthday's Saturday. So yeah, your boy birthday, May 14th, you know what I'm saying? Tap in with your boy, tell me happy birthday, you feel me? Light the chat up, your boy birthday is Saturday. I'm hoping that they drop some heat, but yeah, comment below. Let me know what y'all think of this collection right here. It's one of my favorites, really. Top 10, top 5, I love it. Let me know what y'all think. Super dope. And we can't forget one of the most important steps of getting your fitted ready to wear is creping it. So take you some crepe. This will basically weatherproof your hat. Raining outside, the water gonna beat up and roll off the hat. You drop some sauce on it, just rinse it over some water, sauce gonna come right off, and your hat won't be soaked. And it gets rid of the little sticker circles. You just spray it on there, brush it off, circle gone. So make sure y'all tapped in. Hat Club sells their own too, but I really like crepe. I have yet to use Hat Club, but this is what I do. Boom, let it sit for 5 minutes. Spray it again if you want before you go out, and you're set. You're set. But yeah, This has been another unboxing with your boy Dalen the GOAT. Make sure you tapped in with your boy. Like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications because we are on our way to the top. Tap in with your boy. And with that being said,